Most people think respect comes from talking louder, explaining more, or constantly proving their value. But the truth is, the people who are truly respected rarely do any of those things. They don't beg for attention, they don't chase approval, and they definitely don't waste their energy trying to convince everyone of their worth. Instead, they move differently, quietly, calmly, confidently. Because real value doesn't need to shout. It shows itself through behavior, boundaries, and silence. Think about the most respected people you know. They don't argue to prove they're important. They don't over-explain their choices. They simply live in a way that makes others realize their worth. And that's the secret most people never learn. If you want people to respect you, take you seriously, and stop underestimating you, you don't need to become louder. You need to become quieter, stronger, and more intentional with your actions. Here are 5 powerful ways to quietly teach people your worth. Part 1. Stop explaining yourself to everyone. One of the biggest mistakes people make is feeling the need to explain every decision they make. Why they said no, why they changed their plans, why they chose a different path. But the truth is, the more you explain yourself to everyone, the more it signals that you are seeking their approval. And people can feel that. Confident individuals understand something powerful. Not everyone deserves an explanation. When you constantly justify your choices, you unintentionally give others the power to judge or question your decisions. But when you calmly make a decision and stand by it without over-explaining, something interesting happens. People start respecting your boundaries. They begin to realize that your choices are not open for debate. For example, instead of saying, "I'm really sorry, I can't come because I'm busy with this and that," simply say, "I can't make it tonight." Short, clear, confident. You're not being rude. You're simply valuing your time and energy. And when people see that you trust your own decisions, they start trusting them too. Because quiet confidence sends a powerful message. You don't need permission to live your life your way. Part 2. Set clear boundaries without drama. One of the quietest yet most powerful ways to teach people your worth is by setting clear boundaries. Many people avoid boundaries because they're afraid of disappointing others. They worry that saying no will make them look rude, selfish, or difficult. But in reality, the people who respect themselves the most are the ones who know where to draw the line. Boundaries are not about controlling others. They are about protecting your time, your energy, and your peace. And the key is to set them without drama. You don't need long explanations. You don't need to argue. You don't need to raise your voice. Sometimes the most powerful response is calm and simple. For example, instead of forcing yourself to do something you don't want to do, you can simply say, "I'm not available for that." That's it. No guilt, no over-explaining. At first, some people might feel surprised, especially if they are used to you always saying yes. But over time, they begin to understand something important. Your time has value, your energy has limits, and your peace is not something you are willing to sacrifice for everyone. Because when you respect your own boundaries, you quietly teach others to respect them too. Part 3. Let your actions speak louder than words. Many people try to prove their worth by talking about what they can do. They explain their talents. They defend their abilities. They try to convince others that they deserve respect. But truly valuable people rarely do that. Instead, they let their actions do the talking. Because words can be doubted. But consistent actions are impossible to ignore. When you show discipline, reliability, and focus through your behavior, people naturally begin to see your value without you needing to announce it. For example, instead of telling everyone how hardworking you are, you simply show up and do the work. You stay consistent. You improve quietly. Over time, results start speaking for you. People notice the progress. They notice the dedication. And slowly their perception of you changes. The truth is, talking too much about your value can sometimes make people question it. But when your actions consistently back it up, respect comes naturally. You don't need to convince anyone. Your work ethic, your discipline, your consistency, those things send a message far louder than words ever could. And that's the power of quiet confidence. When your actions speak clearly, people begin to understand your worth without you saying a single word. Part 4. Stop being always available. If you are always available for everyone, people may slowly start taking you for granted. When you instantly reply to every message, accept every request, and always adjust your schedule for others, it sends a subtle message that your time is always open. But the truth is, valuable people protect their time. They understand that time is one of the most limited resources in life, so they choose carefully where their energy goes. This doesn't mean ignoring people or acting arrogant. It simply means you don't have to be available all the time. Sometimes it's okay to reply later. Sometimes it's okay to say, "I'll get back to you." When people see that your time is not always easily accessible, they begin to respect it more, because scarcity creates value. And when you protect your time, you quietly show others that your life, your priorities, and your goals truly matter. Part 5. Walk away from disrespect. One of the strongest ways to teach people your worth is knowing when to walk away. Many people stay in situations where they are constantly disrespected. They argue, explain, or try to change how others treat them. But the truth is, respect cannot be forced. When someone repeatedly ignores your boundaries or treats you poorly, the most powerful response is often silence and distance. You don't need to create drama. You don't need to prove a point. Sometimes simply stepping away sends the clearest message. It shows that you value your peace more than staying in a place where you are not appreciated. And when you calmly remove yourself from disrespect, something interesting happens. People begin to realize that your presence was valuable. Because the moment you stop tolerating disrespect, you quietly teach others an important lesson. Your time, energy, and respect are not something everyone automatically deserves. Ending message. At the end of the day, your worth is not something you need to loudly announce to the world. The people who truly value themselves rarely chase respect, attention, or approval. Instead, they move with quiet confidence. They protect their time, they respect their boundaries, and they let their actions speak for them. Because real value is not proven through arguments or endless explanations. It is shown through the way you carry yourself every single day. When you stop over-explaining, set clear boundaries, protect your time, and walk away from disrespect, people begin to notice something different about you. They begin to understand that your presence, your energy, and your time are not ordinary. And that's how respect is truly earned. Not by demanding it, not by chasing it, but by quietly becoming someone whose value is impossible to ignore. Because when you truly know your worth, the world eventually learns it too.